Today, I promise you that you will be amazed by how easy it is to create a kid's coloring book with extreme professionalism. Starting from designing the interior pages, all the way to finishing the book cover design, and even creating a stunning mock-up for your book so you can use it as A+ content. And it does not stop there. In this video, I will give you a book idea with almost zero competition and very high demand. Because if you apply exactly what I show you in this video, you will achieve very strong sales, and you will achieve them fast. Let's jump directly into the practical tutorial. If we go to Etsy and search for Construction Vehicles Coloring Book, we will find that this type of book looks amazing, and it is mostly targeted toward boys. You will also notice that all the books on the first page of Etsy have already made very good sales. That tells us something very important. The demand is proven. Now, if we go to Amazon and search the same keyword, we will see that there are only 9,000 results. That means the competition is actually very low for this type of book. Low competition, and at the same time, the books ranking under this keyword have achieved strong sales and very good reviews. This is exactly what we are looking for. Let's take a closer look at the interior pages of some of these books. You will see that they are simply well-drawn construction vehicles that the child can learn about and color at the same time. Look at these pages carefully. I promise you that by the end of this video, you will design pages that are much better than these. Now, in order to design pages like these, we want to use artificial intelligence to make the process easier and faster. And we also want the AI model to be very modern and powerful. The best platform I have found to design these types of pages is Kittl. We have used Kittl before to design many books on this channel, so make sure you go to my channel and check out the previous tutorials to learn how to use it to design many different types of books. And I also want to thank the Kittl team because they gave all my followers an exclusive 25% discount on all plans, including the yearly plan. When you click the link I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and in the description, and use the code MOINCOMEYT. But in this video, we are going to create a brand new design with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. And first, we want to design the interior pages of the book. In order to design these pages professionally, we need prompts that we can use to generate the pages with AI. But how do we write these prompts? It's actually very simple in Kittl because it is a complete all-in-one platform. First, we go to the chat section, and it is powered by ChatGPT. I will simply ask it to write for me 20 prompts to create construction vehicles coloring pages. And within seconds, it will generate the prompts professionally and in order. All we have to do is copy the first prompt so we can create the first page. Then we paste the prompt into this box at the bottom. And here they have added a new tool that helps you improve the quality of the prompt. Let's try it today. Here you can also choose the style of the page and select the AI model that will generate the image. I personally always prefer Nano Banana Pro. After that, you choose the page dimensions. Let's select 2 to 3. And finally, you choose how many pages you want to generate. I usually generate 4 pages and then select the best one. Now we click Generate, and within seconds, you will see that it created 4 beautiful pages. Honestly, I like all of them, but let's say I choose the third one. Then I simply drag the image and place it on the first page of my book. And just like that, we have finished designing the first page. That's how fast this process is. Now, to design the second page, I will go back to the chat section and copy the second prompt. And here is a very important note. We could add Artboard too, but when we create a new design that way, it will be completely separate from the first design. If you want your pages to feel consistent and connected, there is an amazing feature in Kittl called Smartboard. For example, If we click on the first page, then click on the purple dot on the right side and choose AI Image, it will automatically add a new connected page called Smartboard. You can even ask it to modify the first page and it will adjust it professionally. Now, if we paste the second prompt, select the AI model, choose the page dimensions, and click Generate, it will use the first page as a reference to create the second page. And when you see the result, you will notice that it created a page that looks very similar to the first one, but with a different construction vehicle. And this is extremely important because the book must feel cohesive and connected from beginning to end. This is one of the best features in Kindle, because if we instead add Artboard 2 and use the same prompt, it will generate completely different pages that have no visual connection to the first page. You can still use that method, but personally, I prefer using Smartboard for a more professional and consistent result. And after we have generated the first 2 pages of our book, let's move directly to generating the third page using the exact same method. I will copy the prompt, then I will add a new Smartboard connected to the first page. And just like that, you will see that it generates an amazing image in the same construction site style as the first page. Honestly, I am impressed with the result. After you finish designing your entire book, you simply download all the pages as a PDF file, and you can increase the quality to 300 dpi for professional printing. Now, as I promised you, we are also going to design a professional book cover, and we will do it easily. The process is very simple. You choose one of the best pages from inside your book. Let's say this third page because I think it looks great. Then you add a Smartboard to this page and ask the AI to color this page with beautiful colors that are suitable for a book cover. And within seconds, you will see that it colored the page beautifully without changing the original design. That is exactly what we want. Now, all we need to do is add the title to the cover. And one of the best things about Kindle is that it has amazing text styles built in. If we go to the text section, we will find many ready-made professional text designs. All you have to do is choose the style you like. Let's say I choose this one. Add it to the page, and then type your title. You can easily edit the colors, the font, the size. Everything is customizable. You can also duplicate the same text style to add a subtitle for your book. Let's change the subtitle color to white so it stands out more. And don't forget to add your name on the cover. I will add my name here at the bottom in a small, clean font. And just like that, we have designed a beautiful book cover in just a few seconds. But we are not done yet. This video is complete. It takes you from designing the interior pages to the cover and also to creating a professional mock-up, just like I told you at the beginning of the video. So now, let's move to the third step, designing a professional mock-up. If we click on the purple dot next to the cover, we will see that there is an option to generate a mock-up. When we click it, it takes us directly to the mock-up section. All we need to do is search for a book, and we will find hundreds of ready-made covers. Choose the style you like and easily adjust your cover dimensions to fit it. But there is an even easier way that I personally use to generate mock-ups. If we add a Smartboard to the cover, I can simply ask it to generate a beautiful professional mock-up for this cover, and within 1 second, it creates this amazing mock-up. But there is one small problem. It changed the font style and the title, and I do not want that. So I will delete this page. Then I will duplicate the cover page so that I have a version without the title. After that, I will add a Smartboard to this cover page without the title and ask it again to create a mock-up for this page. And within 1 second, it now generates a beautiful mock-up, but without the title. Perfect. Now, I will simply add the title back onto the mock-up easily using the same method as before. And just like that, everything looks clean and professional. And now, I truly hope you benefited from this tutorial, from designing the interior pages of the book all the way to creating a stunning mock-up. I'll see you in a new video very soon. Goodbye.